Hey guys, Menchi here, and today I'm going to show you a track I made in a dubstep style. It's really first time. It's the brand new genre for me because I didn't produce it before. I tried to make something like this reference. It's called Marshmallow Sweden Death. I guess I pronounced it right. The track called Vortex Blade. I like this track. By the way, this track was in top 100 in Beatport in dubstep genre. What I decided to make not a copy, I just use it to make arrangement and to hear some sounds, maybe for inspiration. Yeah, let's say. And I decided to make a track in 140 BPM. It will be a bit more melodic than this reference. I just use it to hear some elements. So this is my first time when I produce dubstep. So let's listen to this track.
Switch. Switch.
So what do you think, guys, about my first time when I produce dubstep? So let me explain what I used in this track. I used kick. I use 10th channel. It's before any procession because I use this kick not in the step sequencer. I used it here in the playlist, and I decided to use 10th channel to make a sidechain. As you know, when we have break rhythm, not a straight rhythm like a 4/4, like in house or tech house or something, we have break rhythm and some kicks. By the way, some kicks are playing. I think these kicks are playing not in this not a half of the rhythm. But I decided to make this sidechain using limiter. because I wanted to make a sidechain for this bass. It's something like this. I used limiter for it. Another channel. It sounds something like that. So I used kick, then I used snare. It sounds like that. By the way, this sample is really huge because it was processed, maybe some compressor, limiter, I don't know, but it sounds really loud. Then I decided to use something like a trap loop, trap loop heads, because I listened to this track and I heard some trap kind of heads. Also we have here something like future garage percussions. Sounds like that. I think it sounds cool. Also we have additional heads. And we have dubstep rhythm. And we used a lot of elements here. And we have the last one head. Sounds like that. So also we have a bass. By the way, bass from Flex. It's a fruity FL Studio synthesizer, and we have here a lot of 808 basses. Also we have the main thing in this track. These are a lot of dubstep basses. But I used 3 different bass lines. We have one here, the second one here. The same basses, but I decided to use them a bit differently. Yeah, and we have the third one here. It sounds a bit different. Sounds like that, and this part the same as this part. Also I used some something like a synth fills, some glitched effects. Also we have here something like that. Sounds a bit dirty, but I really like how it sounds. Also we have this effects, something like a breath. Also we have these synth fills between the drops and between the drop and the breakdown. By the way, these ones from Color Bass packs. I really like Color Bass because it sounds not so boring like usual dubstep basses, and I decided to use a combination dubstep basses and Color Bass basses. We have here fills, something like drum fill. Also we have Color Bass synths. It sounds something like that, and also we have here other ones. I really like Color Bass basses because it sounds really fresh. and it gives a lot of harmonies to your track, to your basses. But I decided to use them here. This basses sounds in a silent, something like that. Yeah, but these ones sounds like with some basses. Yeah, I think sounds cool. Also, we have a phrase.
Switch.
It's a simple phrase I found on Splice. Also, we have these build-up synths. I decided to use just one node, something like that. But I decided to make something like automation of delay, reverb, and volume automation. It's something like we see here rise of the delay. The delay will make more strong, a lot of feedback. Then we have reverb and we have volume shaper, something like that, because if we don't use this volume fade out for this synth, this will be a lot of loudness and sound till the end of the breakdown. And I used this something like a step, a hard step, to make volume down of delay, reverb, and it sounds dry here. And we don't hear any sound because we have this phrase before the drop.
Switch.
And we hear it really clear without any delay and reverb effect. Also, I made it in the second build-up, but I used another synth.
Switch.
And also we hear a really clear switch phrase because we made this automation for delay and reverb here. Also we have here something like a guitar. And this melody, I use it from my head, just wanted to make it. We have here something like a Riz bass, but it's not a real Riz bass, it sounds like a wobble bass. Something like that. Also we have here a pad. Something like that. And we have here a texture. I like to use textures in my production because I like how it sounds, because they gives a lot of atmosphere to the track. I really like it. I decided to use breakbeat here. Yes, it's dubstep, but I decided to use it. It's something like experiment, and I decided to make this loop here. Also we have here other break, other drums. I used two equalizers to make it to make less hi-hats, less low frequencies, and I decided to make something like a beat for mid frequencies. Basically it sounds like that. It sounds cool, but I decided to use it like filtered drums. Also we have here this riser. Really like how it sounds. Also we have here down lifter. we have crash, and we have something like a riser, and also we have impact. We have here a snare roll. Yeah. So what we have in this track, anyway, I'll upload this project to my Patreon and Boosty. I don't know, maybe you want to see how I made it, maybe get some presets, because there are a lot of cool presets, by the way. I don't know, feel free to check links in the description. Anyway guys, Menchi was here, bye bye.